In this world, we have a different problems that we always find a solution. Don't giving up for all the problem you have faced, because every problem has a solution.
Ay, ano ba? Kausapin mo ko.
Ay, yung bago mo.
Ay, let's explain.
Ano po pag-uusapan natin, Gio? Ha? Nakita na ng dalawang mata ko yung kalandian nyo.
Ay, saan ka pupunta? Alis ka?
Oo, aalis ako. At lalong hindi na ako babalik dito. Lalo na sa'yo.
Having a significant other is one of the desires of everyone, but it is a responsibility to love and care for them, and above all, not to deceive them, because deceit is the hardest problem when it comes to love. However, every problem has a solution that you must think about carefully, the steps you will take, where you will start, and the end of your solution, whether it helps your situation and correct your mistakes.
Sa hindi inaasahang pagtatagpo ng mga mundo, may minsan lang na nandugtong, damang-dama na ang ugong nito. Di pa ba sapat ang sakit at lahat na hindi ko ipararaan sa'yo? Ibinubunya ka ng iyong mata, sumisigaw ng pagsinta, pati
Action.
Ay, ano ba?
Action.
Ay, ano ba? Ay, ano ba?
Go. Camera, action.
Ay, ano ba?
Action.
Ay, ano ba? Kausapin mo ko. Kausapin mo ko.
Action.
Ay, let's explain. Ay, let's explain. Ay, let's explain.
Action. Lakad.
Ay, saan ka pupunta?
3, action.
Ay, saan ka pupunta?
Action.
Alis ka? Sige, bala ka.
Action.
Sige, alis ka.
Action.
Sige, alis ka. Sige, go!
3, action.
Alis ka? Sige, ikaw bala.
3, action.
Alis ka? Ikaw bala.